morning from a lovely sunny Lincolnshire. World Cup today. I'm an England fan. Apologies for the nails, but let's hope they win tonight. I've shown you, or I've done a video already about the Trapex Wasp, so go and have a look at that. But I thought I'd just do one on the Asian Hornet lure that we've got. This is VespaLure. It's a really good lure, powder form, so a little bit different. It makes up 2 litres if you use it all. It's much more economical in price compared to some of the other lures out there. There's the comparison between this and other well-known lures, and this wins hands down. Recyclable packaging. It's got an anti-bee deterrent in here as well. Non-toxic, no chemicals, no insecticides. It's a really, really good lure in here. So it can be used with lots of different traps. We would absolutely recommend it with the bait pod and the Trapex for either wasps or Asian hornets. This attracts, say, Asian hornets and lots of different species of wasp. But what I thought I'd also show you with this, I've shown you how to put it in the bait pod and this trap before, but how to put it in just a or how to make it up, and then how to put it in a very, very simple trap that we've got here. Lukewarm water. And to make up, for this particular bottle, I need about 500 ml. So to make up 500 ml, you need 2.5 scoops. A nice scoop comes with it. So it's a lovely orange colour. So we've got 1 in there, 2, and then a bit more as well, 2.5. So give it a really, really good stir. It's most effective after about 2 to 4 days. And depending on the trap you're using, you need to refresh it probably every 2 to 3 weeks, depending on the ambient temperatures. Pour it into your trap of choice. There we go. Not going to fill it all the way up. I'm just going to fill it enough. I know, of course, that wasp trapping is not for everybody. Most important thing for a beehive or a hive to survive is reduced entrances and a nice strong colony. I know wasps are important. They're also important pollinators, but they can also destroy hives. So that's what you do. You make up your lure, pop it into a bottle, pop the trap on top, hang it from a tree, a branch, or wherever, go up and through the lid and into the lure at the bottom, killing said wasp. But give this a try, this VespaLure, and do it now before the wasps take hold. Thank you.